At AS Engineers, we specialize in creating customized centrifugal blowers tailored to the specific needs of your application and industry. Our step-by-step guide will help you understand the key data requirements, making it easy for both beginners and advanced professionals to select the perfect blower. Start by determining the blower draft type, forced draft, FD, or induced draft, ID. This choice defines the blower's role in your system and sets the foundation for selecting other specifications. Next, define the operational parameters. Specify the required flow rate, static pressure, operating temperature, and humidity levels. Include details about your power supply to ensure the blower is optimized for your conditions. Select the blower arrangement type and drive that best suit your application, such as direct, belt-driven, or coupled. Options like Arrangement 1, 4, 8 ensure the blower integrates seamlessly with your existing setup. Orientation and rotation are essential for proper blower installation. We offer both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations, each with 8 options to match your system's configuration. Selecting the correct orientation ensures smooth integration and optimal performance. Environmental conditions are critical. Provide information about your site location, ambient temperature, dust load, and altitude. These factors ensure that the blower is designed to operate reliably in your specific environment. Material and design preferences play a vital role. Indicate your material of construction, any corrosion resistance needs, and preferred impeller design. Details like operating material, blade type, and motor mounting arrangement ensure the blower fits your exact specifications. Quality is paramount. Review required documentation such as IS 4894 standards, quality assurance plans, performance witness tests, NDT, DFT requirements, and stage-wise inspections to ensure your blower meets all quality benchmarks. Define your performance expectations, including efficiency, noise levels, power consumption, and maintenance needs. These details allow us to fine-tune the blower to align perfectly with your operational standards. Selecting the right accessories is crucial. Components like dampers, expansion bellows, cooling discs, mechanical seals, stuffing boxes, splitters bars, base frames, vibration isolators, special gaskets, and foundation bolts enhance the blower's performance and longevity. Finally, ensure that your blower complies with all necessary industry standards, certifications, and safety protocols. This guarantees that your equipment meets regulatory and safety guidelines. At AS Engineers, we utilize all this critical data to design and manufacture centrifugal blowers that are perfectly customized for your application and industry. Share your requirements with us, and we'll deliver a blower that ensures optimal performance, reliability, and efficiency tailored specifically to your needs.